Alright guys, welcome back to another video, and today we're going to be destroying an old HP laptop. So we have the laptop here, and I took the battery out so like it doesn't blow up everywhere, and we're going to see if we can destroy it with the sledgehammer. Oh my god, I got the keyboard out. So, I got the keyboard out. Alright. Try to get this off. Alright, so I'm going to try and tear this apart. It's held by like this wire holding it together, so I don't think that's coming off. Just gotta feed it in. And so we have the fan and stuff. Let's try to break the touchpad. Not breaking, so let's go through the back. We'll rip that stuff. Alright, let's see what we got here. So this is the inside of the computer. And we got a bunch of wires and stuff, I have no idea. I think I should take these out. Ooh, what is that? Alright, let's get rid of these. Man, these laptops are getting all over the place. Alright, let's see how this is. There's some tape on that. Let's break that tape. Okay. That tape should be up. And I'm gonna have a lot of cleaning up to do. Alright. Okay. What is this? Is this the motherboard? What is this? What is this? Yeah, it should be the motherboard. Let's get rid of the motherboard. Small target, let's see if we can get it. There's something in it. Man, this thing is tough. Shit. Alright, we'll save this for later. take these chips and tear them apart. We need a big target, or just gonna go home with them. Stack them up. Ready? Alright. Let's just completely get rid of this screen. Oh my god. Okay. Alright, so we have here that cracked the screen. Oh my god. Alright, so we got more stuff to smash. We need to try to. There's some nasty dents in these. Like, there's some like horrible dents. What is this? Alright, we got that off. So much later than clean. These glass diamonds. There we go. Alright. It's double layers. We got this. Alright. So we got that layer off. What is this? Feels like kind of plastic glass. It's plastic. Alright. Okay, I need to get some wire cutters. I'll be right back. Alright, so I get the wire cutters in here. And yep. Here it is. So I'll cut the wires. Alright, so we have the wire here. We're gonna cut it. Alright, so we got it cut. Let me just put this back. Alright, so close this thing. And then put her back where it was. That. Alright, you stay in this thing. There you go. my freaking god. Alright, now I can finally shut this. Alright, let's do it. So, alright, so we have the wreckage and it's pretty bad. Actually, really bad. Stuff is falling out. Holy crap. Alright, let's take a couple more shots at this. Alright, so we got this taken off. A bunch of wires. I don't know if I should be touching them, but so what is this? Why are there barcodes on here? What is this? Alright. Alright guys, if you want to see me destroy more other things, leave a comment down below and leave a like and subscribe, and I'll see you next time. Damn, I have a lot of cleaning to do. Well, better get to work.